How to link FNB account to PayPal. To add FNB bank account to PayPal, follow these steps. First, go to PayPal website. Then click on Login. Then log in using your email and password. Then click on Payment Methods. Then click on Link a Bank. You can add your bank by IBAN number and your bank account number. Or you can find your specific area branch by clicking on Bank Name or Location option. Then select your account name, person or business. Then click on Link your bank. Then PayPal will deposit two small amounts between 1 cent to 99 cents into your FNB bank. It will take 3 to 5 days. Then click on OK. After that, you will receive a deposit from PayPal within 5 days. After receiving the deposit, go to PayPal. Then click on Payment Methods. Then in the Bank Account section, you will see Confirmation Pending. Then click on it. Then click on Confirm Bank. Then enter the 2 deposit amounts PayPal sent you. Then click on Confirm. Then click on Done. Thanks for watching.